In this video we'll be talking about 6 best decisions to make in your 20s. Starting your 20s is like entering into a whole new and mature level where each decision made will have a huge impact on the rest of your life. It is that phase of journey where you have to choose very wisely the proper and definite path to head towards success and achievements in the future. It is a sensitive age, therefore, any wrong move or decision can badly affect the career and future planning. Who does not want to act smartly and wisely at the right time to save the trouble of facing difficulties of any sort at later age? Here are the top best 6 decisions for you to ponder over to have a successful future. Number 1. Find your passion. To bring your life on the right track, it is imperative to find a true passion to give meaning to life. This is obviously not an easy task, but worth trying for. If you are not doing what makes you happy and satisfied, you are losing so much in life. Skills and hobbies are not always a passion. Following your passion does not make you dreadful or hateful of your job. Try to do those things in which you find enjoyment and fun. For this purpose, ask yourself questions like what is it you love to do, read, what inspires you the most. Then take a step to pursue your dream without hesitation and wait for the results. Number 2. Focus on one thing. Directing your thoughts and energy on multiple things at one time will help you in achieving nothing. In fact, it will be a waste of time. You can get anything in life by diverting your attention wholeheartedly on one thing. As a human being, it is natural for us to continue thinking and desiring for different things and changing our mind before reaching one goal. Your memory is limited, therefore don't overload it with those things that are irrelevant. Store knowledge and facts about that goal you are passionate about. Don't let the fear ruin your determination. Set on one journey that will lead to a big and fruitful destiny. Number 3. Find a mentor. Experiences teach real-life lessons much better as compared to actual school learning. A mentor who is an experienced and trustworthy person from whom you take counseling about any matter. Mentorship is not all about directing the person about what to do and what not to do. Giving emotional support is also essential. The 3C must be kept in mind while finding a true mentor. Counselor, consultant, and cheerleader. The mentors should enlighten the student about his valuable experiences in a particular field to save the time and resources of the student. The mentor should be an attentive listener and provide guidance where necessary without being over-assertive to give some room to the student to use his own mental skill. And most importantly, a mentor should never dishearten the student on his failure and always cheer him up and celebrate his success. Number 4. Invest in yourself. Every outcome demands investment. The more the investment, the more will be the output. Investing in oneself is the biggest investment that will always bring profit. Learning a new skill or language, develop and grooming your personality are all the forms of self-investments. You should be the number 1 priority of yourself. Put your physical and mental health first because without them, how can you strive to fulfill your aims and goals? Invest your time and money on beneficial and productive activities. Number 5. Live below your means. It is rightly said that save something for the rainy days. Living below your means suggests not to spend more or equal to what you earn. You have every right to enjoy things you love, but by making wrong decisions and moves you may end up with nothing but regret. By spending less than earning and saving, it can be of great help in the future at the time of retirement. This can be achieved by designing a budget, cutting unnecessary expenses, and adjusting your lifestyle. Number 6. Start a business. If you think that the job you are doing is not paying you much and you are wasting your energy and time, then start your business right away. If you have money to invest and a mentor for guidance, immerse yourself in extensive research to educate yourself about the current market and consumers' needs. A successful business demands a smart mind and time to flourish. Make sure to write them down. It should be a strong foundation so that in the future, you can stand on your own without regretting losing chances and opportunities. Thanks for watching.